Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports hands-free Siri and that iOS is up to date. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active so activation settings sync. You should enable Face ID or Touch ID and create a passcode now. Siri uses device security for recognition. Next, sign into your Apple ID if you haven't already. These prerequisites unlock the hands-free option, so you can proceed to toggle and train Siri without interruptions or failed setups. You open Settings, tap Siri and search, and toggle Listen for Hey Siri on. This immediately enables wake word detection. Once enabled, follow the voice training prompts. Say the sample phrases naturally so Siri adapts to your accent and tone. Make sure Allow Siri when locked is set if you want hands-free access from a locked device. Also choose the preferred language and voice variant so recognition matches your speech. After training, test several short and long commands to confirm reliable activation and prompt response. You now finalize by testing Hey Siri across typical environments, quiet, noisy, and with case or cover on, so you know where it works best. If Siri fails to respond, check the microphone by recording a voice memo and confirm the mic isn't blocked. Once checked, restart the device and toggle Listen for Hey Siri, off then on to retrain. If problems persist, reset Hey Siri training or sign out and back into your Apple ID. For ongoing hardware or account issues, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.